It's not even yellow yet. So just leave it outside so it turns yellow.
Baking dyan na
Close it. So that's it only. I decided to stream because I got lazy.
Edition.
Got lazy editing, so I just streamed it.
Ma. You're going to survive.
You gotta put the chicken in the fridge. This is the one that I'm... This one. Oh, this one. This is I ordered. Huh? There's 50.
Want some? Which one do you
Where did
want?
it come from?
We. This is my first time ordering. This is the legs.
That looks like it stinks.
No, I'm gonna grill this for you for Father's Day.
Okay.
You don't eat it, eh?
Papa, do you know what is ube,
But it's very small, sweetie pie. It looks very tiny. This is probably a Filipino kind of chicken.
Okay. Well, I seen you unbox it, so let's pop in a row.
Okay. I mean, this is probably a Filipino kind of chicken also because it's very tiny. Because I saw how big your leg quarters here. The leg quarters. This one. Let me check. This one is very tiny. I was surprised. I'm expecting it's gonna be big, obviously. It's very tiny. This one. Can you see? This is already... there's... It's already 2 pieces of leg quarters in this one. Hello, Mountain of Inspiration. Tej, you gotta put this in the fridge, Tej, or else it's gonna go bad. So we're gonna grill it. This one. I bought 2 packs. So I'm gonna grill 4 pieces of this. I'm gonna grill it for my sweetie pie for Father's Day. Hello, Travis makes cringe videos. Thank you so much for dropping by. And mangoes. I think it'll take time for the mangoes to ripe. I'm glad they gave me this kind of mangoes so that it won't go bad quicker. And what I'm a little bit disappointed with is I paid for food pack thing $9. They charge for it. But apparently it's probably because it's very, very hot. It thaw right away as soon as they delivered it. So that's it only. 30801. Oh, kind of. Put it there. Arrange it.
99 points.
This one, especially this one, put this in the fridge station.
What?
The chicken. Put the fridge. What happened to my papaya? We're gonna eat papaya later. I don't know who stabbed my papaya. I don't know who stabbed the papaya. You like mango too, Saint. Don't put it on top. Put it at the bottom because I'm gonna cook it once we're back. This is just like a quick stream. No. That's 2 pieces. It's very tiny. You just used into seeing big chickens.
Di mo, kagamay sa chicken nga mahal gid. Kita mo
At
Pilipino
least we know we're just gonna buy mango
may
next time.
discount. Pilipino.
See? Oh, put it there. So that, die. Put this in the table. This one. Cover this one because the flies might get into it. So that's it only. So it's been so long since I streamed. So thank you so much all for watching. I'll be ending the stream now. I just gotta figure out though how I'm gonna end this because it's been so long since I streamed.